We're now going to look at gradients in your AutoCAD drawing. So we're staying in the hatching gradients.dwg file. We're going to stay on the A-hatching layer as well. You can see that in the layers panel on the home tab at the top of the screen. It's the same workflow as hatching. So we go up to the draw panel, click on the flyout here, but we just select gradients. Now, one of the things you'll notice with the hatch creation tab up there on the ribbon is you just swap between the two. If you want hatching, you can go to pattern like so. If you want gradient, you can go to gradient like so. And all it does is change the settings and the icons on the ribbon. So you can use the icon on the drop down on the draw panel, or you can just swap out when you're in the hatch creation tab on the ribbon as well. Now you'll notice it goes into these GR patterns, which are the gradient patterns. So you can see the fill patterns there with the blue and the yellow. And the default colours are blue and yellow. Now, you wouldn't normally have a blue and yellow table, not unless it was somewhat psychedelic. So what we're going to do is change the colours. We're going to go for like an orangey brown. And can you see there, we're already going into like a sort of amber sunburst, almost guitar kind of like colour. And then I'm going to come into here and I'm going to go to more colours. And I'm going to select a brown, let's say that one there, colour 23. And when I OK that, can you see we're getting a nice sort of almost kind of teak colour there for our table. And then what we can do is we can tweak these colours at any time. So I might need that to be a little bit more orange. So we might come down to, say, that colour there. And can you see that gives a lovely kind of burnished wood kind of colour to our table. Now, we're still with the pick points here, like so. And what we can do is we can just come over here now, and there's our colour there. And it's actually rather bright. So what we might want to do is mute that a little bit more by going with perhaps a darker brown. So we go to more colours here, and we've got a nice dark brown there. Let's put that one in and OK it. And when we come in now, can you see it's darker now on the right-hand side? So when I left-click, there's my gradient filling my table. And again, you can just press Enter or click on the green tick like so. When you zoom out now, you'll see that that highlights that table beautifully in the conference room. And we could potentially apply that here. I've only applied a hatch there purely so that you can see how the hatch pattern works. But you can see how that gradient fill can really highlight objects in your AutoCAD drawings.